Warm summer weather is here, and that means craft fairs and artesian markets are in full swing. But rising temps mean melting body butters. I love making my own body butters, but their biggest weakness is their inability to withstand warmer environments without completely liquefying. So here's my formula for an emulsified body butter that's seriously so soft and silky, all while holding up to the heat of a sunny summer day. Markets and trade shows are a big deal if you have a small business, but the way your products look upon first glance can make or break a sale, costing you customers. This formula contains a mixture of oil and water-based ingredients, so it'll stay smooth and spreadable, even if you have a booth sitting right in the sun. Not to mention, it's beginner friendly, so all you need is a little bit of experience working with common skincare ingredients. In a heat-safe mixing container, combine the water-based ingredients, some distilled water, and vegetable glycerin. Water will serve as the base of the formula, whereas glycerin, which is a humectant, will draw moisture in from the air to keep the skin hydrated. Grab a separate container and combine the oil-based ingredients. This includes jojoba oil, shea butter, and kokum butter, all of which give the body butter a signature smooth, creamy feel. Then, because oil and water don't mix, you'll also need to add in some cetyl alcohol and emulsifying wax NF. These ingredients are very easy to come by and definitely are some staples you should have on hand if you like formulating your own skincare. They'll melt down with the oil-based ingredients in the double boiler alongside the water and glycerin mixture. To make an emulsified body butter, you need to emulsify everything together. To ensure the emulsion is stable, everything needs to be melted and warm. Ideally, both the water and the oil phase should be within about 10 degrees of each other. Both of my phases have been sitting in the water bath for a little while, and all the solids are completely melted, so let's go ahead and check the temperature. All right, my water phase is around 139 degrees, and the oil phase is just 10 degrees warmer, so we're all set to make the body butter. Remove both mixing containers from the double boiler and pour the water phase into the oil phase. Use an immersion blender to blitz the ingredients together just until you have a very thin emulsion. With a spatula, stir gently and continuously while the mixture cools. After each minute or so, it will start to thicken. When it starts to stick to the spatula and to the side of the container, grab the immersion blender again and stick blend a couple of more times. Try not to pump a bunch of extra air into the mixture by moving the blender up and down. Instead, keep it towards the bottom of the container in one place. Grab the spatula again and stir in the thickened bits of body butter. Now you're ready for the last ingredients. First, because this formula does have water in it, you'll need to keep it mold and bacteria free with a broad spectrum skin safe preservative. So my go-to is the Optifin MIT Plus, but there are many other options that you might prefer that you can use. Just be sure to check the specs before you sub it into a formula because they all work a little differently. Follow it up with some vitamin E oil, which is a natural antioxidant that will also help extend the body butter's shelf life. And finally, fragrance. I really saved the best for last, I promise. And what better pick for summer skincare than our version of Butt Naked by Nature's Garden. It's a fruity concoction that makes me think of sipping a pina colada by the pool, the beach, or wherever. After all of the ingredients are stirred in, the mixture should be smooth and creamy, at which point you can fill your jars. Body butters are too thick to be used with pump nozzles, so I opt to package them in a wide mouth, straight wall jar. This way your customer can just scoop out some with their fingers and apply anywhere below the neck that needs some fragrant and hydrating TLC. If the body butter mixture is still a little warm, let it cool to room temperature before screwing the caps on. And there you have it, an easy way to make body butters that will last all summer long. Let me know if you try this formula out and if you'd like any other advice on getting your line ready for summer markets. Stay up to date with AFI by subscribing and ringing that bell icon to become a member of the Fragrance Fam. I hope to see you guys in the next video really soon, but until then, I hope you have a hot and sunny summer day. Bye guys.